She was combing my hair from the root. We are Coco Vanilla, waiting for our food. Can you please look at this dog?
Your laugh is so shaking.
But you put my life in danger. I never know you and I will go be over. Never know you and I will go be over. Wherever you did, I know you missing me. Pray to find someone just like me.
Hair is out on food, just play. The girl that did my hair did an amazing job, honestly. Because the first time I got to wash when I came, the lady, she was combing my hair from the root. You know, you don't do that with natural hair. You don't comb the hair from the root. You just don't do it. Like, is this prison break? Is this prison break? Nah, she was doing all side, like she was literally putting all her energy into combing my hair, and I was like, hold up, my sister, my brother, listen, there's a human attached to this hair. I think she forgot that I was there. So I'm like, no, you don't comb my hair from the root, you have to comb it from the end. So I didn't go there again. The week after that, I went to another place, and it was actually even cheaper at the other place. You know, I want to save my tickets. It was cheaper at the other place, and the girl did an amazing job. And the thing is, I feel like because she was natural too, she understood where I was at. She was super gentle, washed it lovely, and blow dried it. Shrinkage is, I might record it next time I go there. Shrinkage is deep, actually. I never realized I had that much shrinkage. No, she did an amazing job. And then she cornrowed it, and I was wigging it out for a while, so I might get a wash today as well. And I'm gonna get my nails done. Mom's really like picky about these sort of things, like buy your own stuff, don't let them use what they use for other people. I guess it makes sense, so I have to go and buy all my new stuff. I probably said this before, but the weather in Ghana is really nice and cool this time of year. It's actually perfect. I probably had like 6 really hot days. I was like, oh, I'm dying, but the rest have been really cool, and I'm very pleasantly surprised by that one. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my hair. My hair is looking good. If I do say so myself.
Say I do me a shrum, yeah. You know we say I be better past anybody. And so we sure, and your boy no.
Good morning, guys, or is it afternoon? Reporting for Gold Coast Beauty News, live from Accra, Ghana. That was actually a really good shot. Live from Accra, Ghana. Today is an exciting day because my homie over here, who has been desperate to get to my vlog, is going to take me to a place called Coco Vanilla. And she said that they have this amazing chicken. People hype things up, but when you actually get there, but you know, the last time when my auntie, don't talk because she's going to talk. That's when my auntie talked about the KFC, and I was like, what, KFC? Hey, stop! I don't even eat KFC in Glasgow because I just don't. I read this article about them like genetically modifying their chicken and stuff.
What do you expect? That's why it tastes
Sure. I used to go and get like the spicy chicken wings like 3 times a week or something, but then I stopped. For the last 3-4 years I haven't been to KFC. And then I come to Ghana, but I told you guys, the chicken, the spice is inside the bone, not in the meat itself. So I think it was definitely worth it. I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. Views and things.
That's her child, by the way. She has not told you she has a son.
Yeah, that's Fifi. Show them your face. Don't we look alike? That's my son. Had him 9 years ago.
10.
Oh, sorry, 10. My body snatched back so quick I even forgot.
My mom is driving the car.
Your mom is not in.
Hey, sell out.
I feel like I'm a bit biased with my Ghana vlogs. I always feel like I'm showing you guys the nice areas, but things like just go on Google, they'll show you the bad areas anyway. So I beg, let me show you the nicer areas.
Yeah, but there's so simple, natural areas we can go to. It's just that, you know, she's stingy with her time, so yeah, she can, whatever.
What areas can we go to?
Have you
Aqua Safari. We have arrived at Coco Vanilla. We're gonna try some of the delicacies here. We have octopus, right?
grilled octopus,
Grilled octopus,
grilled chicken wings,
grilled spicy chicken wings, fried yam, jollof, plain rice, and chips. But I'm quite looking forward to the octopus. So yeah, and of course I'm gonna have a virgin mojito.
Auntie Deborah.
So we are at Coco Vanilla, waiting for our food. Hey, don't touch my food. I don't want to zoom in. Yo, Charlie, that one there.
Like a stepdaughter. Impossible child. What will give your mother headache? So why you have to taste it twice to know. Finish it plus the one. I love this baby in particular. In particular. Antoine, do you want some yam? And that one is delicious. Very refreshing.
Oh, come here. Let me walk to my car. Can you please look at this dog?
Your laugh is so shaking. Let me do for you. Let me do for you. Right here. He's shaking.
Oh my god.
Right on the nose.
I can't do.